Alright, y'all, so I've been having some problems with my AC. Not the actual AC, although it hasn't been blowing cold, but I'm assuming because it's hotter than the devil's asshole out here in San Antonio, Texas. But nonetheless, man, I've been having problems. Well, not problems, I've been hearing a noise, sort of like a humming, a loud humming, every time I turn on my AC. So let me see if I can get that to, if I can demonstrate that for you. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it doesn't. And right now it's not doing it, but it is like a humming noise. So I believe it's coming from down here inside the bird cage. So I'm just going to open that up, take that apart, and see if we have any debris stuck inside of there. Sometimes leaves or paper get sucked into there. So I'm going to drop down that squirrel cage right there and then see exactly what we got going on. So in order to move this, we're going to disconnect this plug right here going into the squirrel cage, and there's going to be 3 screws. So the one's right here, another one's over here, and another one is back here somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop that and see what we got stuck inside of it. All right, y'all, so this last screw back here has proven to be a pain in the ass. It's a little bit of a challenge. It's that last screw right there. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I mean, it's right there. So I've been had to switch from the tool right here to a 5/16 crescent wrench. So I'm gonna pull this off and see what we got. See if we got any debris stuck inside this bird cage, if I can get it out. Okay, let me drop down the glove box. Okay, let me see if I can get this thing out of here. Pull back this carpet some. All right, give me a second. Let me try to get this out of here. All right, so after some finagling, we finally got it off. And doesn't look like anything's in there. Let's see. There doesn't appear to be anything inside of there. All right, let me see what that is. I see a little black something right there. Let me see if I can get that out. All right, so there doesn't appear to be anything inside of the bird cage, squirrel cage, bird cage, fan, whatever you guys want to call it, man. But other than these little retainer clips right here, but that's not going to be causing a noise. So I thought something was actually stuck inside of here, causing it when it spins to not get that full suction or blowing, that blow function. But I'm going to put this back up, see what we got going on elsewhere. That means the problem's coming from somewhere else. Either that or it just blew out. But let me put this back together and see where else I can trace it down to. All right, so another thing I just noticed right now, once I remove this carpet is wet. I mean, it's pretty soaked. It's not wet down here, but it's soaked all in here. So I'm going to have to air this out. But what that means is my drain plug for the AC is clogged up. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that problem here in a second. Let me put this back together and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so I got the truck turned around. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about right here. Get past this little fender liner here. So see if I can set up the light where I need it to be positioned, the light. Give me a sec. All right, so right there, you see right where that little black, sorry about the light, man, but I'm trying to give you guys a better angle. It's just hard from the position I'm at. But right in the middle, right back there, there is a plug. And I do not have the elbow that attaches to that. So what happens is sometimes that water doesn't drain out. So it's constantly building that condensation from the AC, running it all day. It's building up water and it's not allowing it to drain. Sometimes it gets clogged up, backed up, and that's what causes it to leak on the inside of the cap. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unplug that. I'm going to stick something in there and get all the debris and water out, and I'm going to see if I can capture that on video for you guys. It's going to be kind of tricky, but I'm going to try. All right, y'all, so what I did right here was I just hooked up my AC, I hooked up my air compressor line right here up to this pole right here, to this stick, and attached a rubber hose I had laying around into the air compressor valve right here, and used the stick to kind of get into that angle to push it in straight, and wedged in this hose down here inside that little boot to blow out any water that's in there. So you see right there, it worked out pretty good. Let me wait for this compressor to turn off. And I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that is the water that dripped out from the drain line from my AC. So that little bit of water was causing it to overspill inside of the cab. All right, you guys, so there you go, man. If you guys are having any of those problems, man, those are some things to check right there. I'm glad that you know, I did notice or did get down there to change out that bird or squirrel cage, whatever you want to call it. I'm glad I did get down there and you know, see and feel that my carpet was wet. It wasn't wet on the surface before it started stinking and stuff like that. I'm glad I caught it on time, because what happens is over time is that it just keeps constantly overflowing, and that water needs somewhere to go, so it's coming back into the cab. The little pipe down there, it doesn't have the boot to drain the water out. So I'm glad I caught that on time, drained it out, got it out of there, and now everything should be fine. I'm guessing whatever was inside of that bird or squirrel cage, when I had the vehicle on, it actually blew out or sucked itself out or something happened. But I know something was in there, it was making a weird noise. But nonetheless, man, I'm glad I got in there and got it taken care of before, you know, the problem got worse with the water on the carpet. So drained that out. But I just want to thank you guys for staying tuned to the channel, man. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot more videos as soon as we get done with this work here. And, you know, you guys just stay tuned. Don't forget to enter in the Tomahawk Grill giveaway. I did forget to mention that you have to be subscribed to my channel. So don't forget, you just can't enter Tomahawk in there and expect to win, man. You got to prove that, you know, you're subscribed to the channel. But nonetheless, man, it's your boy, Coyote Mike. But nonetheless, man, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button, man. It really helps out our channel. Once again, it's your boy, Coyote Mike.